Why are there not more people talking about massive, snuggly dogs? Let's dive into the world of gentle giants. Meet the Great Dane. It's like having a horse, but cuddlier. Then there's the St. Bernard, your own furry lifeguard. How about the Newfoundland? They're basically fluffy life jackets. Next, the Mastiff. They might look tough, but they're total softies. Ever heard of the Leonberger? They're giant teddy bears. The Irish Wolfhound is tall enough to reach the snacks on the top shelf, but too kind to take them. The Bernese Mountain Dog. They come with a side of drool, but so much love. And lastly, the Great Pyrenees. They're like a giant protective cloud. Big dogs, bigger hearts. Who's your favorite gentle giant?